Hey, so I wanted to talk about Clash Detective and Navisworks and just a real quick tip on when you hide different things within Navisworks and then how that affects your clashes or your clash tests. So currently I have a Navisworks 2019 open and I have just a basic model with some architectural walls and then some ductwork in there as well. And currently, you can see that if we expand the selection tree, the arch model, we can see that the rooms are in there. And if I run this test, it will actually pick up those rooms. Now, usually, what you would do is have that option turned off in your settings when you're exporting out your NWCs from Revit. But if you don't, it's easy to do and it won't affect, or it will affect your tests so that you can hide, so you can hide them and then you won't see them in your test and they won't pick up. So, as you see, I've already ran the test and I already have the rooms hidden, but you also see here that we have a ton of clashes. This actually isn't, uh, this doesn't pertain to this project. So what I'm going to do here is just do a reset all. And then we're going to go into the rooms. We're going to unhide them. So I'm going to right click on rooms in the selection tree, unhide those. And then we'll try to rerun this again. So I'm going to try to get this box over here, and then what we're going to do is update all. So I'll come down here, update all, and we can see Arch HVAC, and it's picked up 3 clashes that pertain to that room. Now what I'm going to do is go into the rooms, or in this expand the selection tree for the Arch model. I'm going to go into rooms, right click it, and then hide that. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll see over here this caution sign. And essentially, this is just telling you, hey, something's changed and you may need to rerun your test. Now, you can individually select the test by just right-clicking on the test that you want to run, or you can do an update all. By update all, you can see now those 3 clashes have been resolved. And that goes for anything. If you go in there, start hiding specific things, you'll see that it'll give you a caution sign. You can rerun those tests. And the cool thing is you can save this so that when you open it, it'll still be hidden and you can run the test. And if you're using Dynamo or something else that's opening up the project and running stuff, those things can be turned off if you don't want to see them. So there you go. It's just a quick tip on how to update your clashes within Navisworks without having to re-export your NWCs. Hopefully this helped you out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.